Hello guys, Chinedu is my name. I want to introduce this wonderful smoked catfish to each and every one of my followers on Facebook, on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Honestly, if you love something that tastes very, very good, these are for people who love good food. Even if you don't like to cook and you want to eat this fish like snack. Most people that are buying from us, they're eating this fish like snack. This fish, the way we produce, you can see we get the fish, we cut the fish, we use salt and water to wash the fish very, very well. After washing this fish, then we season it. After seasoning it, then we put it in the oven. We give it some time to go through smoking between 2 to 3 days. That is the stage by stage we have to place to make sure it dries very well according to customers' request. So you can see the process. Then once it's done, depends on what the customer wants, then we can supply. I'm guaranteeing you, you can never taste sand. This fish is super tasty. We sell per kg. We can give you, people who are buying from Nigeria, we can sell you 1 kg for 40,000. Other people are selling 43,000. We can give you for 40,000 for now. We are selling for 10 kg for 400,000 naira. One good thing about us is, if you place an order, you tell us how you want your fish. Some people like it crunchy, we make it crunchy for them. Some people like it dry, we make it dry for them. Some people like it soft, we make it soft for them. We produce on specification. A lot of people who lives in America, they are placing order. They're getting their shipments almost every week. People buy from London, they place their order, they pick it up. Sometimes we ship to people. Depends on what our customer wants. People in Lagos, we also sell for people in Lagos. Some people in Abuja also. Most of my friends who bought from me, they were saying that it couldn't make it to their pot. They finish it as snack. Some people will come and buy it to drink gari. Some people are using it to drink oatmeal, quaker oat, here in America. So I don't know what you're waiting for. I'm telling you, if you buy it and try it, you're going to love this fish. Seeing is believing. Tasting is believing. The taste of the cake is in the eating. You will never know the taste of this fish until you try it. I have asa and mangala I bought 2 years ago. I abandoned it in my fridge. As a matter of fact, I'm going to trash it. Because last time I used it to cook, before I started this business, there was a lot of sand in my soup. I love to cook. I love delicious food. When you use this fish to cook food, oh my God. Cook egusi, cook ofoha. You can use it to gwola abacha. You are going to enjoy this fish in so many ways. I'm not telling you because I want you to buy from us. I'm telling you because I want you to taste it, love it, and come back for more. You've been eating fish, but this very fish is very different and exceptional. Somebody who is producing this fish, I gave her American recipe. She has Nigerian recipe. Both joined together is wonderful. I flew into Nigeria to supervise how things are being done. You can see how beautiful this fish is. That's how tasty it is. I'm guaranteeing you, try this fish, You're going to love it. It's very cheap.